Alright, wow, this is bad. Oh my. Right up front. I believe we are in the core of it now. Oh my god, this wind is very much picking up because the cold front's moving through right now. So it's gonna spark off the wind. Dang. Whoa. Oh my god. Definitely bad. Oh my. Oh my god. Jesus, yo. Everywhere I go, there's lightning. Oh shit, yo. Right above me, too. This wind is definitely picking up. Whoa. Shit. Yeah, here we go, right in the oh my god. Yo, it's very bad over here. Look at this. That's where the main thunderstorm's at. Dang. I can't even. Dang, this is bad.